General exceptions in Pakistan Penal Code. Part 2. X. Consent. An act is not an offense, which is done with consent of victim or which is done for benefit of a person of 12 years age or a person of unsound mind, through his/her guardian's consent or which is done for benefit of a person without his/her consent. X. Compulsion except murder and offenses against state, which are punishable with death. An act is not offense, which is done by a person due to those threats which cause apprehension of his/her death. 2. Private defense Pakistan Penal Code recognizes this principle that every person has right to defend his/her body and property. Therefore, private defense under Pakistan Penal Code is considered a general exception to offenses. Conclusion. To conclude, it can be stated that general exceptions, which have been provided in Pakistan Penal Code, are generally divided into excusable and justifiable exceptions. In excusable exceptions, guilty mind is completely absent while acts are not left excused, but are justified in justifiable exceptions.